Okay, lovely people, I found a combination that works. I know y'all are tired of talking about this, but we must keep trying the deal until it is perfected, okay? All right, so this is what you're gonna do. For this deal, if you have not seen any of my prior videos, the Harris Teeter is doing an instant savings this week, okay, on some Unilever products. When you purchase 3, you're going to save $3 instantly. Now, I did some prior groupings that did not work for some reason. Even the cashiers and the customer service manager couldn't figure it out. Okay, so Crystal kept trying, and I did find another situation that would work. So this situation works, all right? This is the Love Beauty and Planet, and this is the hand wash, okay? It is on sale this week, 2 for $5, which is an amazing deal because this is a 13.5 ounce bottle, okay? So if we do that, that is 2 for $5, a total of $10, right? All right, so the $3 came off, dropping it to $7, and then I turned around and I used 2 of these insert coupons. That's in the 4/18 Unilever. That's going to be this coming Sunday. I get my coupons early. Okay, save $4 on any 2 Love Beauty and Planet products, excluding the deodorants, hair mask, trial and travel. So that is none of that. So this coupon scans perfectly, works just fine. You're going to use 2 of these. So that is going to take off $8, which is going to give you $1 in overage, which it actually was telling the cashier that she owed me money, but we don't want to do that, okay? So you just grab you another product that's going to take care of that overage. And what I did, I just picked up one of the Renews-Its, okay? So let's take a look at this receipt. Now, there you see the Renews-It for $1.19. There you see the $4.99, and then it takes off $2.49. $4.99 takes off $2.49. The reason being is because at Harris Teeter, when items are 2 for $5, it's gonna ring up, you know, at its half price, because the original price of these things is $4.99. So to get them 2 for $5 is an amazing deal, okay? So there you see it right there. Vic, Unilever, the $3 came off without a hitch. Scan those 2 $4 coupons, and there you see right there, tax 16 cents, balance due, what is that, 35 cents. You better do it, couponing Crystal. Just get something to grab the overage, because you don't want them bringing the manager over there and all of that. But it's not like you do anything wrong. You're not doing anything wrong. You're really not. Because this coupon is a Unilever coupon, and it says limit of 1 coupon per purchase on product quantities specified and max of 2 identical coupons. So you're not breaking any rules, okay? I don't teach you how to break the rules. All right, so I just picked up a Renews-It. The prior transaction, I did a pack of Hubba Bubba. So I've gotten quite a few of these things. I'll show you guys how many I've gotten today. Okay, this is the joy of being a couponer. When you can get stuff for darn near free or free, it is amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. So if I happen to find them some more, I'm definitely going to do this deal because I done figured out the combination now that actually works. Also, remember when I bought 2 of the hand soaps and I bought 2 of the gelatos, the Talenti, yeah, that worked as well, but it wasn't free. All right, guys, that's it. Remember, clip to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.